Well, welcome to today's episode of the Beach Boss Influencers podcast. You have today live with you, Kat Krasilnikov, and me, Fran Lopesha. We're two of the co-founders of Beach Boss Influencers, the incredible coaching community where we teach network marketers, home-based business owners, entrepreneurs how to build businesses that they love online, leveraging audience automation, systems, processes, funnels, all the fun stuff. And today we are talking about the reason that your upline's advice isn't working. And we're going to give you some ideas of what to do next. Let me preface this by saying if what your upline is teaching you is working and you are getting results, keep doing it. That is awesome. But if you are following your upline's advice and you're not getting anywhere, in fact, maybe you feel like you're going backwards and you're getting unfriended and blocked and doing all the things and beginning to hate what you're doing and wondering whether this is ever even going to work, then this is for you. And this is nothing against your upline. I know you love your upline. And I know, and maybe you don't, but you probably do love your upline. And what they're teaching you, this is what I'm going to say, what they're teaching you is probably working for them. And that's why they're teaching it to you. But there's two big differences. And let me start off by saying this, because if you want success in building whatever you want to build, whatever business you're building online, you need to have a network of people that you can market whatever it is that you're marketing to. You need to have a network of people who are searching for you and searching for your product, searching for whatever it is that you have, and you need to have influence over that network. And if you don't have those two, then what you are probably doing is being a spam bot because you don't have a network, you don't have influence on that network. So you're just spamming your poor friends and family who, have maybe supported you for a bit. And then they're thinking, okay, this is enough now. Those two things are key in seeing success in network marketing, in entrepreneurship, in whatever industry you're in, because grow that audience, have influence on that audience, have people that love you, will buy from you whatever it is that you're selling, and you have a match made in heaven. But if you don't have that influence, you don't have that network, then it's going to be a struggle. So let's dive into this.
Let's dive in. First of all, we've been in your shoes, guys. We've been in network marketing for a while and we've done it all. We've done from face to face prospecting, stalking people in the malls,
the
uh,
parties.
putting up flyers in the gas stations, whatever. We've done it all. And when social media came around, of course, everyone jumped to social media. I personally realized that what worked face to face sort of worked, right? Because that's the only way we knew how to do it. It actually didn't work on social media. It's kind of like when they tell you in the real world to get one yes, you need to get 99 no's. On social media, it's multiplied by 10. To get one yes, you need to get 1,000 no's. And although there is so many more people on social media, we don't have the skin to get rejected 999 times. And that's what happens. If you follow traditional network marketing advice and do it on social media, you have to be super duper motivated. And most people just aren't, right? We want the results like right now. We don't want to chase 1,000 people to get one yes. We want nine yeses out of 10, not one out of 1,000. So that was my first realization that I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I didn't even know that I was doing something wrong, but I was thinking, I'm not enjoying the process. That was my thinking. I'm not enjoying the process. I felt like a fake salesy weirdo. They just running around thinking how to make a buck. And that's how I didn't want to feel about my business. I knew that this industry had so much potential, that my products were amazing and more people need to know about them. And also you could make money doing that. So I was super passionate about the industry, but the way I was taught to build it, especially on social media, didn't feel right for me. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to go and find out what other people are doing, that they actually enjoy it and they're having fun and they're actually getting results. That's the most important thing, right? So that's when the first advice that my upline was giving me, it was like a first commandment of network marketing that I ditched as soon as I start learning all the proper social media marketing skills, is everyone is not your prospect. Ah, to me, it was like, what? Like, are you freaking serious? Because that's the first thing they engrave into your brain. Everyone
Yep.
is your prospect. Make a list of people, go approach everyone, don't prejudge. If it's not now, it's not no now, it's not right now, blah, blah, blah. I did it. I did it to the T,
Yeah.
and I hated it. The good news is, if your upline's advice is working for them, but it's not working for you, we want you to know that there is a better way.
Yeah. For sure.
What's
For
some other
sure.
things, friend, that you realize that you don't have to follow from those advice?
I think the main one was exactly what you said, was like, everyone is not my prospect, and
How
everyone isn't
about
looking.
everyone wants your stuff?
Yeah. Everyone with skin is looking like,
For everyone
everyone
who
has
breathes
skin,
air.
therefore everyone needs the skincare. No. A
No,
lot of people are happy with, whatever it is that they're using. So no, not everyone is your prospect. And figuring out, actually, if I start if I stop trying to speak to everyone and I start speaking to one person,
only people who already want it and looking for it.
the people, yeah, so figuring out who is it that wants it, who is it who's looking for it, and then start tailoring my message to those people. All of a sudden, I had people reaching out to me. So instead of like spraying, the
Fire
like a
hose,
shotgun, you know,
shotgun.
yeah, it was like, okay, now I'm the sniper now. Like, oh, okay. And okay, I wasn't even the sniper, because what I discovered was that when I start, okay, so the second thing, my mind's all over the place, but I just suddenly realized, because the second thing was, stop trying to bloody sell to everyone. Stop trying to sell to everyone and start actually helping people, because it's not about what I want, it's about what they want. So if I start helping people and start giving them more value and teaching them and helping them and being that servant leader, being that person who's delivering value to them, people are going to follow me. People are going to start reaching out to me. And all of a sudden, I'd have people like messaging me. And it was like, who are you? Where did you come from? I've never chased you. I haven't sent you 1,000 messages. I haven't tried to sell you 1,000 times. Where have you been? And they said, but I've been following you. And I said, really?
And
Oh
reading
my
your
God,
posts.
this works. So it's
And
like,
they're
holy shit,
amazing.
this works. If I start giving value, okay, stop trying to sell to everyone and start delivering the value that they're teaching, that they're searching for, having grown the audience first, or the people who are looking for what I have. All right. You grow the audience first, you deliver the value to them, and just be a normal human being instead of trying to be this sales bot that I had become, where people in real life were running away from me. In real life, I had people literally turning around and running away from me in the street in my little town that I live in. Suddenly, people were coming to me and reaching out to me, and I'm thinking, like, this works. This actually works. And so let us know in the chat if if you can relate to this, if you were taught to just sell, because that is how network marketers are taught. Go ahead and sell. And yes, I know, when you join, you're so excited about your product, you're so excited about your opportunity, you just want to speak to everybody about it. But if you
And the thing
starting
is, they tell you
right?
it's not selling, it's sharing.
Yeah,
Go ahead and share with everyone because you never know who's going to listen. In reality, when you try to reach everyone, no one's listening. No one's listening. It's
I want
exactly like
yeah,
think about it when you watch your favorite TV show and suddenly commercial shows up with some random, I don't know, drug for old people and you're like 27, you will flip the channel, right? That's exactly what's happening when they scroll on social media. All they want is to be entertained, to be educated, and to feel like they're connected to people. That's what they want to feel. And as soon as something salesy pops up, they're like, ew. Like
yeah,
that's if I want to buy something, I'll go on Amazon. I don't want to see your salesy stuff, right? That's how people think, right? And when they don't want to see, they just scroll by and then they ignore, and then you become invisible. That's it. And then you become, oh, the lady who sells stuff that I need to
yeah.
avoid. So that's
The
a
other sorry, the other thing, the other huge aha moment that I had was that people join people, that people were joining me. It wasn't actually the company, and it wasn't even the products.
oh, this is another hard thing too.
It
Yeah.
wasn't it's like you are your brand.
And most people don't
People
know
will follow
how to
you because
even
of
wrap
the
their
value
heads
you're
around
giving.
it.
Yeah. They'll follow you because of the value you're giving, because of the relationships that you're building, because of the person that you are. And honestly, I had people reaching out to me saying, "Okay, well, I wanna work with you." They didn't say, "What's a company, what's a product?" It was, "I wanna work with you." "Oh, tell me what the company is." Okay. Just maybe because they didn't want to be part of, I don't know, some athleisure company, or they didn't wanna be part of some, you know
Something they can, relate to.
but they wanted to be part of something that, yes, okay, okay, I mean, health and wellness, awesome. But it's not your company and it's not your products that people join, they join you. So you
And
need to
that's
put
another
yourself out
thing
there.
that is really hard for people when they
Yeah,
start uh, figuring out how properly market. They don't understand how I can be of value if I don't have my products and my company, because my products and my company are amazing and it's everything that I have. And if that's taken out from me, I don't know what to give people. That's where a lot of people take some time to kind of like wrap their hands around it. But the good news is we actually teaching pretty soon in a few days how to flip that switch. And actually, I'm just going to spill the beans. I'm the bean
the
spiller.
bean spiller.
We are doing a 3-day live challenge called Fire Your Upline. Now, we're not saying that your upline is worthless and stop listening to them. Absolutely not. We used to be that upline telling our people, go for freaking no. When ourselves we were cringing doing that, right? We were that upline, but it might be the time if your upline's advice is no longer relevant for you, it might be the time to become the upline that you wish you had,
Yeah,
to become the upline the people who are not even joined you yet are looking for, right? They want upline who got the tools, who got the strategies that don't require to spam strangers or bug friends and family or be a spam bot or what I call it billboard for your company on
yeah,
social media. People are looking for leaders to join who have those strategies and tools. And you can be one of them. It doesn't mean that you have to just abandon your upline and tell them how horrible they are. No, it simply means you might have outgrown their advice and you need to step into those leadership shoes and actually own the fact that if I don't figure out how to do it different way, no one's going to figure it out for me. Are you waiting for your upline to take this challenge and teach you? They might. But you are the upline. You are the upline and you need to start act like one to be a leader and figure out what is it out there that is actually working, that people actually want to do in 2025. Let's face it, it's not 1997 anymore. We
Yeah,
don't have to be chasing strangers. There's so many automation tools out there, so much stuff that we can implement and learn and actually get results. And that's what we will be talking about, uncovering one by one all the amazing things to
yeah.
help you to become the upline that you wish you had. So there will be a link.
There'll be a link above, below, somewhere around this video.
If you don't see the link, just comment, give me the link, ladies. And someone will reply and message you.
Yeah. Drop some fire emojis if you got value from this, and let us know what your biggest takeaway was. We would love to hear. All that remains for me to say is go grab that link, and we will see you next week in the Fire Upline Challenge. 3 days of incredible value, 3 days where we are giving you all the
We're
goods.
giving it all.
We're giving you all the goods. Like, we're not holding anything back. That I can promise you. And you will walk away with so much, having learned so much
You'll be blown away. That's
that you'll
it.
be able
That's all
to,
I'm going to say. Your life will never be the same.
yeah,
Because once you learn something, you can't unlearn it.
you can't unlearn it.
I always say
You
once you
won't be able to
fly
go
in
back.
the business class, you can't go back to economy. That's kind of like we give you the business class seat in network marketing journey, period.
Yeah. So we will see you there, and let us know what you got from today. And thanks for joining us. We'll see you all there next week. Bye, everyone.
Bye.